Hi guys, welcome to tieflab lab. We are going to teach you how to repair your keyboard when the USB is not working. My colleague is going to show you how to repair your USB by replacing it and help you to troubleshoot it. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Trikumana Isai. As my colleague said, I'm going to show you how to repair this cable. It's just USB cable, USB for keyboard. I'm going to replace it with phone charger USB. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, tools we need basically hot glue gun. It is called glow stick. Just insert it in here, and then you just pull this trigger to fix your part you just connected. It's good because it is not a good conductor of electricity. Another thing you're gonna need, this is most important tool. It is called the soldering iron. When you are using this soldering wire, you just, I don't know, I think you know, just put it like this and then it's going to melt this. Anyways, you need this scotch to step where you just connect it to. Before you fix it with the glue, you just have to fix it with this paper tape before you use the glue gun, and then to make sure that what you did is really working. So you also need micro USB. I'm going to cut it and then cut this. You just have to make sure if the problem is here. Sometimes it may be here. You just have to replace the whole cable. But now I found the problem was here. I'm going to cut this and then replace this. Now let's get started. I forgot something that is really important. You are going to use a scissor to cut the cable. Now let's get started. Just don't have to cut really like small like this. Just have to cut like from here. All right, here now you have also to cut this micro USB. What you're going to find is those 4 wires. They are all different colors due to the purpose. You have these 2 wires. They are bigger one because those are the smaller one when you just touch it. I don't know if you can see. Now this is going to be the positive terminal of the power supply, and then this is going to be a negative. These two are data transformation wires. Now it's the same thing here. So now, as you can see, we have those also bigger ones. So now guys, I found really complicated. There's not most in USB. Most USB use this method, but this is the common method used in USB. But here, as you can see, we are having green, which is also here. We have white, which is also this. I guess these are data transformation wires. But here I found a red one, which is like the same as this, but we have black one. Here we have orange. I don't know if this orange is the negative. I'm going to open the keyboard to see actually if this is the negative, because you have to be careful, otherwise you're going to lose your keyboard if you just connect like wrongly. Let me open it real fast. Guys, because different brands, they just do their things in their own way. I found out that the white one is positive and the yellow one is negative, but you also have red and green, which is going to be a little bit complicated because the green, I think, is going to be connected to this as data, and also a red one is going to be connected to white. Just guys have to be careful. Alright, let's cover up and then we're going to connect wires. The white is positive. Alright guys, the positive terminal is now connected, and we are going to also connect the ground, which is yellow, is going to be connected to this like this. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to test if I connect the keyboard so that when I press the key, it's going to show that it's having power. Let's try it. Okay, now I'm going to make a guess, connect the green to green and red to white, and then see if it works.
Yes, this is a rough test we are going to make in order to make sure the wires are correctly connected, and we are going to plug this in, then we see if it works. If it works, we may cover the wires. Yes, I think this one works. Okay, as you see, it is working.
Yeah.
Yes, the keyboard is working.
So now I'm going to cover it up. So now I'm going to cover it with the glue gun. First of all, I'm going to twist wires like this, then turn on hot glue. Yes, yeah, I think I did it. Yeah, if you found this video helpful, please support the channel, subscribe, turn on notification bell. Remember to leave a comment to ask any questions or any suggestion. If you want to support me, if you want to support my work, I leave the link to the Patreon. You can go there and donate. It's like $3 per month, or if you want to give extra. I also thank Alan Norman, for your membership for Patreon. I really appreciate it so much. It really helped me so much. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to stick around for more exciting projects like this. Bye.